Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. Today we're going to look at another interesting and trending Photoshop trick. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notification bell to get notified in case I upload another interesting tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to create halftone effect in Adobe Photoshop 2026. Let's begin. First, duplicate your layer in the layer panel. Rasterize the top layer. Use keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus U to change the rasterized layer to black and white. Go to Filter. Select Pixelate, then Color Halftone. Change max radius to 4 and click OK. Perfect, the effect is applied. When you zoom in your design, you will realize that the halftone is a bit colored. Let's rectify this. Select the top layer and use keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus U to turn the effect to black and white. Perfect, the effect is black and white now. Now to make the effect blend with our design, let's turn the blending mode to soft light. Perfect. The effect looks good on our design. If the effect is too much, play with opacity to bring out your desired look. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to Jude Lab channel for more design tips and tricks that are trending. See you in our next tutorial.